Warning. The SCP Foundation has released an Euclid threat. I repeat. The SCP Foundation has released an Euclid threat. SCP-7000 has escaped from the containment and is now running towards the east side of the country. To survive, follow these instructions. 1. Lock all your doors and windows. 2. Don't look at it, it will instantly kill you. 3. Keep your phone on silent. Do these instructions and you will survive. It is currently in the border of Canada. To survive if you've looked at it. 1. Hide and don't make unnecessary eye contact with it. 2. Do not hide in plain sight. These instructions will keep you safe. The SCP Foundation focuses on your safety. We die in the dark to let you live in the light. Thank you for your cooperation.